Hi, hello friends. In this video, me and Dr. Teja will be discussing about carpal tunnel syndrome. Yeah, Dr. Teja.
What is carpal tunnel syndrome, sir?
See, basically carpal tunnel syndrome means, see here in the wrist we'll have few bones, okay? Between the bones there will be a nerve passing, that is called the median nerve. The tunnel formed here is called the carpal tunnel. See, whenever there is some sort of compression on the median nerve, then we'll see this condition called carpal tunnel syndrome, which is common in diabetics and hypothyroid patients.
Generally, what are those symptoms?
See, symptoms are they will have tingling, numbness in the 3.5 fingers, the thumb, the index finger, the middle finger, half of the ring finger. They will have tingling and numbness. And there is a simple test called Phalen's test. If you do this test, if you ask them to do this for 60 seconds, they will develop the tingling and numbness of these fingers. Okay, it is common in diabetics, hypothyroid patients, acromegaly patients, any old distal and radius fracture patients, some patients nearby pregnancy. So, but usually we see in diabetics and hypothyroid patients.
Any surgery needed for this syndrome, sir?
Yeah, initially we give them the tablets. If there is no relief with the tablets, the last option is the surgery. That is called the carpal tunnel release. It's a very simple surgery. It's a daycare procedure. It can be done under local anesthesia. We give a very small incision here and we do the carpal tunnel release. They will have very good result.
Thank you,
So, yeah. So if you have any doubts about carpal tunnel syndrome, you can ask in the comment section below. So I already discussed in the video what are the clinical features, in which patients we see it commonly, how to diagnose. In the X-ray we cannot diagnose carpal tunnel syndrome. We have to get an ultrasound done,
Yes,
not the X-ray. Okay. NCS, nerve conduction studies also will help. Okay. NCS of both upper limbs also will help in diagnosing carpal tunnel syndrome. So majority of the patients will get relief with the tablets, analgesics and exercises. But if the patient is having diabetes or hypothyroidism, we have to treat the diabetes and hypothyroidism for better results. Then if you treat diabetes, automatically these symptoms also will get some relief. But as I said earlier, if there is no relief, if they are suffering from this problem on a daily basis, then carpal tunnel release is the last option. It's a very good, very simple surgical procedure. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section below. Thank you.
Thank you.